Why do I have weeds in my lawn care and landscape bed even if I have bed maintenance? Whether this be the 8-month bed maintenance in our northern location or the year-round bed maintenance in our southern location. The answer to this is because there's always new pressure with weeds. Whether we're using pre-emergent or we're just spraying, and we are always using both over the course of a year, no matter what, there's always something new growing. Pre-emergents won't stop everything. Roundup does not have a residual effect, meaning when you spray it on the ground, if you spray a big area, new stuff still emerges immediately. It doesn't kill anything that hasn't emerged. So Roundup is a post-emergent, kills after, so post, and pre-emergent is a pre-emergent, meaning it stops stuff from germinating so you don't have the weeds, but it can't stop everything. The constant battle is be getting all the stuff that's small, be getting the new little things on the intervals when we're coming out. So you're always going to have something. Now, not that it's not aesthetically pleasing and it's not aesthetically okay because it's so minor that nobody knows, but that's ultimately what you're looking for. No fertilizer and weed control for your lawn, no bed maintenance. Nothing is 100% extermination. It is maintaining it to a desired aesthetic, and we do our best all year round to make sure that weeds are fought back and that things are very minor, if any at all, and we're spot spraying those early so they don't get to where people really have the problem with them, and that is big and unsightly weeds that draw lots of attention on your property. So that's why you can still see little weeds here and there. You can see short little weeds starting to emerge because no matter what, it's not extermination, it's control to an aesthetic point that is acceptable to the homeowner and the team.